Smartphones have transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. But now, a new wave of technology is on the horizon, promising to redefine how we interact with the digital world, aiming to integrate technology into our lives in a way that is more seamless and intuitive than ever before. In a world driven by smartphones, one device dares to outsmart all of them. Introducing Meta's new Orion smart glasses that will challenge the status quo and reshape how we interact with technology. Could this be the end of the smartphone era? Let's find out together. Meta's Orion smart glasses is a revolutionary device that is said to transform mobile computing and potentially replace smartphones. In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge tech behind these glasses, their design, and their future impact on daily life. In-depth product discussion. The pioneers. Before we dive into what makes Orion unique, let's take a quick look at the journey of smart glasses so far. Major players like Google, Microsoft, and Magic Leap have tried to crack the AR market over the years. Yet, clunky designs, high cost, and limited consumer appeal kept these devices from going mainstream. Now, Meta is stepping up to the plate with Orion, a device that aims to overcome these barriers and bring AR to everyday users. So, what sets it apart? What sets Orion apart? The Orion smart glasses represent Meta's most advanced AR technology yet. Unlike its predecessors, Orion prioritizes being lightweight and user-friendly, weighing under 100 grams, far lighter than competitors like Magic Leap's bulky 250-gram devices. This emphasis on comfort is key, as I am sure no one wants to wear glasses that feel more like a headpiece from a sci-fi movie. But design isn't the only area where Orion is pushing boundaries. Let's take a closer look at how these glasses actually work. Design and functionality. The Orion glasses consist of three key components: the glasses themselves, an external computing unit that fits in your pocket, an MG wristband that detects wrist movements for input. This setup keeps the glasses lightweight while ensuring robust performance. However, my prediction is that relying on multiple devices may become inconvenient for users accustomed to all-in-one solutions like smartphones. But the technology packed into Orion doesn't end with its modular design. It's the features that truly set it apart. Advanced features. It has a holographic display with a 70 degrees field of view, significantly wider than most AR glasses on the market to give you a truly immersive experience. The input methods are another highlight. You can control the interface through voice commands, eye tracking, and wrist gestures via the EMG wristband. For example, a pinch motion selects items. A swipe motion scrolls through the content. These intuitive inputs make interaction natural and fluid. However, there's another layer of functionality that takes Orion to the next level. It's AI integration. AI integration. The Meta AI embedded in the device lets you identify objects in your environment, provide real-time directions overlaid on your surroundings, offer contextual information like recipes based on fridge ingredients. So it's not just a display screen. It's sort of like your AI buddy that engages with the real world, just like you. But wait a minute, isn't it a bit intruding? Privacy concerns. Meta already has a history of privacy issues related to data security. Constant monitoring of the environment through AR glasses could make some users uncomfortable. Although Meta claims privacy is a priority, only time will tell how effectively these concerns are addressed. So if all sorted, will it replace the smartphones? Can Orion replace smartphones? According to Meta, yes. With capabilities like making calls, sending messages, and navigating with AR overlays, the glasses could theoretically fulfill many smartphone functions. However, there are a few questions. Battery life. Current AR devices often run for only a few hours. Will Orion likely be any exception? Cost. While pricing hasn't been announced, it's expected to be higher than most smartphones. So, it's never going to be budget-friendly. Competition and release. Timeline. Additionally, Meta faces stiff competition from Apple's Vision Pro and enterprise-focused devices from Google and Microsoft. However, Meta's advantage lies in its vast social media ecosystem. But I think the real success will depend on whether Meta can make the integration appealing and accessible to the masses. So, when will consumers actually get their hands on Orion? As of now, the device is still in the prototype stage. While no official release date has been announced, industry predictions suggest it will launch around 2027, although Meta has hinted at the possibility of an earlier release if development progresses rapidly. Until then, the company is focused on refining the technology and addressing critical issues like battery life, design, and cost. And finally, whether Orion becomes a game changer or just another AR device device depends on how well Meta addresses these issues. One thing is certain, the future of tech is no longer just in our hands. It's right in front of our eyes. Wouldn't you love to try it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.